Hey YouTube, I want to do another video dealing with finance, business. So this one is really important. This will really help you out. It's a little bit more advanced. This is you stepping up into a little bit more business savvy type of thing. But I want to show those that are interested in how to establish business credit, to get you a business credit card. All right. There's numerous things you can do with business credit, and to be honest with you, you should be trying to establish more business credit than anything, than personal credit. Personal credit, it's not what you want to use. You don't want to use your name when you're dealing with business. You want to be using business credit. All right. So, and if you want to know more about what I know when it comes to business credit, comment or whatever. Reach out to me however you can. I'm really a private person. I don't like to deal with too many people, simply because I don't do ignorance. I don't do ignorance. I don't do it at all. And if you're not trying to better yourself, improve yourself, you're definitely going to fall into ignorance category. And I don't do ignorance at all. So I'm very private in my matters, my life. So I'm gonna lead out with this business credit. So business credit. So what you want to do first and foremost, all right, you want to go and get a EIN number. All right, type in Google how to apply for EIN number. All right. Once you get out there, all you're going to do is put in your information. They're going to give you an EIN number. You take that EIN number, you name your business or whatever have you, and then what you do is you take that EIN number and you go down to your local courtroom, State Department, and what you do, the business tax department, and you basically apply, or you just let them know that you're in business. All right. Once you let them know that you're in business, they're going to want to charge you some money for you and your business, or starting your business. All right. Depending on how much money you made or whatever have you, that's what they're going to charge you. So if you haven't made any money or whatever have you, I think it's like $50. All right, depending on which state you're in. The state I'm in is $50. All right. So you get your business license. They're going to give you a receipt and all that. All right. Once that's done, all right, which is the key component, is being registered. You're registering your business in a name, and then what you do, you can also, they have your business name. So my business is Millennial Success Group, and then they're going to ask on the actual form, doing business as. So you can have your actual business name, and then you can have another name to cover up your business, so no one would falsely try to sue you, or any things of that nature. Then you can use another name doing business as, right? DBA. All right. So Millennial Success Group is a business, my business name, but I also do business under another name. All right. So, for an example, I don't know, John Real Estate, blah blah blah. All right, you got it. Now, once you do that, you want to take that information to your credit union or your bank. All right, and what you want to do is let them know that you want to open up a bank account. They're going to open up your bank account. All right, once you got that bank account established, all right, so then what you want to do, I would say wait about 2 months, 3 months. Let them see that you're not fraudulently using the account. You're doing things correctly with the account. Then what you do is apply for your credit card. All right, they're going to give you your credit card. All right, you let them know how much money that they're going to ask you different forms of questions or whatever. I put on there, it doesn't matter, because when you're in business, there's no limit to how much money you can make. All right, so I'm going to ask you how much money are you worth or whatever. Just put 100,000 in there. Just put 100,000, wherever they say, when they're asking about monetary, say 100,000, because business, there's no limit to how much money you can make. All right, because you're in business. You're not doing personal things, like go buy clothing for yourself. You're not going to go and do, buy food for yourself. That's personal. We're talking business. So in business, there's no limit. You can literally go and buy a tractor, some type of tractor that you put on your truck, and you can go straight into business, man. And you can start taking that little tractor you just bought for like $200-$400, and you can start shoveling snow out the way. You can literally make $20,000, dude, in one day. You understand? Just from using that $250 for that snow plow put on your truck. And man, you done made $20,000 just in one day. All right, cleaning out parking lots for apartment complexes. You understand? That's 20 grand in one day. All right, so just put on there 100,000, because there's no limit to what your business can make. Okay, they're going to give you a credit card. They'll probably start you off with like $15,000-$20,000. All right, just by putting $100,000. I make a little bit more than that, but just giving you, somewhere to start. That's where you start. Put 100,000 on there, and then they will hand you a credit card. It'll be about $15,000 to $20,000. And I hope this helps. Don't forget, if you liked this video, if you thought it was gave you some value, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. A lot of people need to know this. All right, this is how it's done. All right, hope this helps you. Take care.